Upon first opening the article, religious leaders and their constituents do not see eye to eye on welcoming refugees. It seems to be an organized professional source. But in order to really determine its reliability, I am going to first search up the name of the website, which is the Center for Immigration Studies. I first found the Wikipedia page about this group, in which I learned that it is an anti-immigration think tank, which is a sign of a lot of bias, as they favor far lower immigration numbers and produce analyses to further those views. An additional red flag that stood out to me is when it said reports published by this website have been disputed by scholars on immigration, fact-checkers, media outlets, and immigration research organizations. So I decided to look further into this. I then searched up the Southern Poverty Law Center, whom accuses CIS for being an anti-immigrant hate group. This accusation is based on their repeated circulation of white nationalist and anti-Semitic writers, and their record of publishing reports that hype the criminality of immigrants. This claim has been supported by fact-checkers like PolitiFact and media outlets like The Washington Post. This obviously shows a very low reliability on the fact that this website is providing readers with credible information. On top of that, the website has absolutely no sources and just rely on their explanation of their author for credibility. Their author being Nayla Rush. Although she may be an expert on global issues related to international migration, the fact that there are no sources to support her claims proves that this source is very unreliable. Overall, I would rate this website very low on trustworthiness based on the extreme bias, accusations of being a hate group by many different organizations, and the lack of providing any sources to provide credibility.